Pamela, and you are on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I'd like to say welcome to my channel and welcome to my yarn room. Well, today's video, I just want to, it's going to be a short video, and I just wanted to show you what I'm up to. I am working on this cute little pig. Isn't it just adorable? This is what I've gotten done so far. Now, I did change the eyes up because I didn't have a 15 millimeter eye. So I just made my own blue, and then I just put in one of these, I don't know, it could be a 9 millimeter little black piece there. And then I sewed it onto the inside. Yeah, it's my little piglet. This is going to be for my grandson. I'm using a 3.5 millimeter crochet hook, and I'm using one of the hooks that I got from Temu. And it's got all these beautiful little flowers on it. Isn't that just so pretty? I love this. And I like that you can see the size on it very well. 3.5. They call for another size or something. I can't remember. But I wanted to use the 3.5 on it. Let's see. I am using Big Twist 100% acrylic. This is called something rose. Yeah, light rose is the color that I'm going with. And I'm just using scrap yarn for the eyes. Now, I don't have the nose part on yet, the little nostril dots things, but I'll be putting those on today. Let's see, the book. This was a gift from one of you subscribers. Isn't it a cool book? I love this. It's just crazy. I just want to say thank you so much. I am looking forward to making some of these characters. This one, probably this one, I don't know. They're going to be fun. But the piglet, he is in this book, and where is the front page? There it is. Here's the piglet. It's very cute. So far, the instructions kind of drive me nuts just a tad bit, because I'll tell you why. Listen to this. This is what drives me nuts. It says, okay, increase 3 single crochet evenly spaced. Okay, that's not as hard to think of, but still, I like to know, you know, single crochet 6, increase, single crochet 6, increase, single crochet 8, increase, whatever. I like to know that. Let's see, there was another one. 6 single crochet evenly spaced. Or increase 6 single crochet evenly spaced. Just little things like that. I just don't really care for them to be written out like that. It makes me have to think too much. And who wants to think about math? It's too much. I mean, I have to do it enough when I design. So to have to do it when I'm reading someone else's pattern, not cool. Okay, guys, let's see. I did finish my squares for last week. I am working on the stitch of the week for today, so that you guys will have that tomorrow. That's going to be fun. I love bringing the stitch of the week for you guys. Not only am I learning, but I get to teach you at the same time. So here's my squares for the Mystery Crochet Along project. So the square 6 should be going out this week as well. Thank you guys. Oh yes, I almost forgot that. I just want to say thank you guys for all the, hope you get to feeling better, and praying for you and things like that, because I was sick last week. And so I couldn't bring you the videos that I wanted to. And so I just want to say thank you. And thank you, Patsy, for letting me know that you missed me. And I really appreciate that. And for everyone who left like I said, who left a comment saying that I hope I get to feeling better and stuff like that. And I am feeling better. I feel really good. So I did end up with an ear infection after my fever virus. And I have a little bit of a nerve pain back here. Just, it's not real bad, but just slightly. That right now Tylenol is taking care of that. Otherwise, I'm doing very good. And I'm looking forward to doing the stitch of the week. I'm going to go through all my crochet books and things like that, and do a little research and find me a little stitch that I'm comfortable with and that I want to learn, and I'll be able to bring that to you guys. And let's see, and like I said, the square of the week for the mystery crochet along will be going out this week as well. Hopefully I'll get the little pig finished. And I have some videos that I am working on for you guys. I look forward to sharing that with you. It's a surprise, and I'm very excited about that. So I'll be bringing that to you. So yeah, my life is really full right now. And I just want to say thank you guys for sticking with me, staying with me. And I really hope that I'm bringing a lot to the table for you guys, because I want to stand up to, I don't know, your standard. I don't know. It's not even the right word. I want to be able to teach and share this craft. This is a beautiful craft, and I love you guys so much. I love that we have this craft in common, and it just bonds us together, and it's very fulfilling. So I just want to bring more to the table for you guys. Anyway, that's all that I have. Let's go ahead and do our Be Still and Know devotion. Unseen. We do not look at what we can see right now, the troubles all around us, but we look forward to the joys in heaven which we have not seen yet. The troubles will soon be over, but the joys to come will last forever. That's 2 Corinthians chapter 4, verse 18. It's not easy to fix our eyes on something we can't see. By abandoning our earthly perspective in exchange for a heavenly one, we are radically changed. If we are focused only on what is here on earth, we would quickly find ourselves overwhelmed by fear and uncertainty. If we fix our eyes on the promise of heaven, then we cannot help but be filled with peace, joy, and hope. We must remember that while we are here on earth for only a little while, it is the joy of heaven that will be our eternal blessed reality. Lord, help me to fix my eyes on you and an eternity rather than on the momentary troubles around me. Give me your perspective. Okay, that was just beautiful. I love doing that for you guys. Well, that's it. Like I said, I'll have videos out hopefully every day this week, or the majority of the days this week. So look forward to those. And let's see. I guess just live life, have fun. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.